Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here, the integral from -2 to 1 of x to the fourth plus x cubed minus 4x squared plus 6 dx, and we need to evaluate this indefinite integral. First, let's find the integral of our function as per our fundamental theorem of calculus from a to b. So our function here, we have to find the integral. What's the integral of x to the fourth power? And that's going to be an x to the fifth over 5. Same thing applies here. X to the third power is an x to the fourth over 4. Minus here, now the integral of 4x squared is going to be a 4x to the third over the 3, plus here 6 is going to be a 6x. Now we want to integrate this from -2 to 1, so we don't have the plus c part like normally. We have a -2 to 1 right here. Now our fundamental theorem of calculus tells us we need to plug in f of b and subtract that to be f of a. Okay, so our a value is -2, our b value is 1. So with that, we need to plug in 1, right, into our x values here. So bracket, this is f of 1. So we have 1 to the fifth power over 5 plus 1 to the fourth power over 4 minus 4 times 1 to the third power over 3 plus 6 times 1, right there. Close the bracket. Subtracted by, same thing, we plug in a, -2 in. So we have -2 to the fifth power over 5 plus -2 to the fourth power over 4 minus a 4 times -2 to the third power over 3 plus 6 times a -2. That's a long one. Alright, and again, this is my f of b and this is my f of a. Well, I solved this whole part here for you. So 1 to the fifth power over 5, so 1/5 plus really 1/4 minus 4/3 plus 6 comes out to be a good old 307 over 60. You're welcome. This right part here, -2 to the fifth power over 5 plus -2 to the fourth power over 4 minus a 4 times -2 to the third over 3 plus 6 times a -2 comes out to be a -56 over 15. Well, subtracting a negative, adding a positive here, you should know that. And when we add these two fractions, we get a 177 over 20, which comes out to be an 8.85. And so when we find our definite integral from -2 to 1 of our function, our final answer is an 8.85. I hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.